Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you YouTube not trying full screen fixed. It's super easy and we make sure you will get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. First you have to open YouTube, then click the video, then click on the square. If it is not opening, then rotate the phone. If it is also not working, then turn on auto rotate by swiping the screen. You can see the option of auto rotate. Click on it. By doing this, you can auto rotate your YouTube video. Now you can see your video has been showing full screen. I hope you found value in this video. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.